Good evening, YouTube. So MGBL is back with another review. Man, it's been a busy weekend, just video after video. But today, we got this bad boy. I assume this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2 because I ordered it, but I'm not too sure. So let's start unboxing this and see what it is. Hopefully it won't be as difficult as my last video. I could barely open that dang box. Oh, this one's pretty easy. Okay, so let's get on this with unboxing. Okay. Oh, so I was right. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 2, just as I thought. Nice. Don't forget Dinky's knife, most handy dandy tool I've ever used to do these unboxings. All right, let's get into this watch. Okay, let's open this. Ooh, a little fancy way to open this, eh? Okay. One, two, pop that, pop this. Dun da da da. Here we go. Apple Watch Ultra 2. Look at that. Pretty cool, eh? Just look at that, and this is the band I got. I got the Ocean band because I think it's pretty cool. I don't know why they made orange though, but looks pretty good. Okay, let's open this. Okay, that's out of the way. If you guys care, you got your instruction booklet. Ooh, look at those pretty watch faces. I don't really think people read this. It's pretty common sense at this point. Oh yeah, we got the action button just like the 15 Pro Max. Nice. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's get on with it. Okay. First things first, let's unbox the watch. So here, get the pull tabs. Ta-ya. Yeah. All right. I wish everything was this easy to open, but unfortunately, it isn't. Anyways, let's get on with it. Ooh, look at that. Fresh. Fresh, I'm telling you. Okay. It's off. There you have it. The Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now, I'm going to give you a rough spec down of this. So, it's the LTE variant. It came out September 12th, 2023, so a couple months ago. It's 49 millimeters, so it's huge, as you can tell. A lot of screen real estate. They claim to be this is made out of sapphire, but that has to be tested. It's IP6X certified, 100-meter water resistant, 40-meter swim proof, ECG certified, and it's got a bunch of sensors like heart rate, blood pressure, all that fun stuff. Now, the cool thing about this is 3,000 nits retina display. Like, that is really flipping bright. Like, you might need sunglasses for that. It's got the always-on display as well. The previous generation had that too, so nothing new there. This is powered by an Apple S9 dual core. You know, this generation I got right here is the Series 7. Was powered by, I think, the S7. So, big speed improvement there. Now, the internal memory, which a lot of people don't know about, is about 64 gigabytes. So you can put a lot of stuff on here. I just use my watch for fitness and tracking my steps. Very basic life things. I don't really do anything pretty complicated on my watch. I mean, yeah. It's got a gyro, accelerometer, heart rate, barometer, always on altimeter. It's got a bunch of stuff. Now, it's got a 565 milliamp hour battery, but this battery is supposed to last 2 days. I can only get like less than a day on this one, but yeah. Interesting. But yeah, that's the rough spec down of this watch. Here, let me take my other one off just to do a comparison so you guys can see. Check that out. Look at the size difference. This is the Starlight color aluminum from 3 years ago. I definitely can see a difference. Here's your action button as well. So yeah, pretty cool. But those are my Apple Watches for now. I'm getting rid of these two, so I mean, I'm getting rid of this one. I just got this one. I'd be nuts to get rid of this, but anyways. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this probably next week. I already got that set up. And while I'm here, let me see the band quickly. Oh, here it is. Sneaky bar. Apple's got these everywhere. See this. Okay, Ocean Band. Pretty cool. If you have an Apple Watch Ultra, I'm sure you're familiar with the bands. Not too bad, not too bad. So, that's pretty much the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So, yeah, that's my unboxing for the Watch Ultra 2. I'm curious to see how it's going to be. And I'm going to use it every day and see the difference. I do appreciate the action button and the bigger screen. So I have to like really test it to see what it can actually do. But this has been the unboxing, guys. So thanks for watching and subscribe for more updates because I post weekly. I got a lot of ideas coming, just lots and lots of ideas. But yeah, guys, peace out. So you all thought I was done, but turns out I got more to unbox. Look at that. I just got this from Amazon. Boo, I fooled you guys. Haha. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Yeah, last part of the video. Let's just unbox this quickly. I got some accessories for my watch. Ooh, not this. This is something else. Alright, these two are going to have it. Watch. Yeah, I can just get this crap open. So, what I got from Amazon, best place, I got extra bands. Sport band and the Stitch band here, right here. Not gonna lie, I prefer these over the one that came with my watch originally. It's in here. Man, I love this dinky knife. Holy, this is a lifesaver. What's in here, folks? Da, 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 da. So this thing is a screen protector for this right here. I'll open it quickly. Nothing really fancy. Right here, check that out. Okay, so we got two screen protectors. Guys, anytime you have an Apple Watch or a wearable tech, get screen protectors because you don't know if you're gonna bang this somewhere. Like if you're in the bathroom, if you're in your car, you're gonna bang your watch. Protect it at all costs, especially an expensive device like this. But yeah, I got you with that one, guys? But okay, now I'm officially done the review, done the video. Don't worry. So enjoy your day, guys. Peace out.